What is poppin', guys, and welcome back to Keeping Up with Crypto with your boy Xander. Got another good one for you today. We're going to go over Voise again because in the recent day or two, Voise has been popping a little bit more in our past videos. It didn't do too well at first, but now people are starting to notice it. It's starting to get some traction. Okay, guys, Voise sitting at 8.8 cents right now. Let me refresh, make sure that's still up to date. Yep, still 8.8. I still think that this is a decent buying opportunity considering where it's been just within the last week or so. It was at its peak, sitting at 17, a little over 17 cents, guys. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good for that. It was closing in on it was about over a little over $100 million market cap. But then it dropped in this recession that we've seen, dropped all the way down to 6 cents. So it's still a lot closer to its recession number of 6 cents than it is at its all-time high of 17 cents. Okay, guys? So that means it's still a good buying opportunity. Sitting at $56 million market cap, it still has a lot of room to grow. Its total supply of 825 million, which is a little high, so it's never going to, not high, but it's in the mid-range. It's not going to ever be as expensive as Bitcoin. You're not going to see this thing in the tens of thousands of dollars, but this could easily hit, like, not easily, but in the sometime in the next year to two could be worth 20, 30, $40. That's completely possible. But if you guys don't know about Voise, Voise is like the music, it's kind of like iTunes brought to the blockchain, okay? It's all about social sharing of music. That's why I back it so strongly, you guys. I am very bullish on music, the industry. I love to play music. I love to write music. I love to listen to music. I love everything about music, guys. And actually, just for y'all, because you remember when I talked about doing something music related for y'all, I wrote a song, and I want to play it for y'all whenever we hit 1,000 subs. So after we hit 1,000 subs, which is in the near future, because we're already up to 745 subs within the first month and a week or so. So by February 1st, I know we're definitely going to get to that 1,000 sub goal, and I'm going to post that video for you. It has, let me tell you, it has to do with holding and hodl, and I think it's pretty creative, and I really worked hard on it, so I really hope you guys like it. And like I said, I'll post that for 1,000 subs. So tell your friends about us if you want to see it. Back to Voise. Voise is rediscovering music, known and unknown, because this is a lot about for artists who haven't been known yet and who haven't got their music out yet. This is not necessarily for 21 Pilots or G-Eazy and stuff like that, although it can be used for them. But this is so, you remember when people go outside and they hand you a CD, they would try to sell you CDs, and you would take the CD and be like, oh, this is pretty cool, okay, and then you pay them for it, listen to it, and that's how they got their name recognition up. Now what they can do is just through the internet and through the blockchain, they can send artists money. Like I can say, hey, check this out. They'll listen to a demo, and then they can pay me in like Voice coin, and then I can therefore give them the song, stuff like that. Real quick, real easy, no transaction cost to the artist. As you can see right here, 100% of revenue goes to the artist, and then they get their music right then and there. It's super quick, super easy. And there's not really any other way to share music either. They could do it for free if they wanted to. So sell and buy music. So as an entrepreneur doing your own stuff with music, you can sell it. And as somebody who wants to, if they hear something, when you hear something and you really want to get that song, it's hard to find it sometimes, you know. You don't know the name of it. You don't know where to buy it at. Not every song's on iTunes, especially if they're just beginning. So this is a good way to get started. Voice coin. Our ambition is to transparent roadmap. Let's check that out real quick. It's partnered up with, oh man. Okay, so short-term partnership in the music industry with crypto, which is obviously they need that to be done. More collaboration to our platform. New white paper. Yeah, the white paper is a little on the lackluster side. They could add more to it, let people know what they're doing more. Verification of artist system. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. So they know, whenever you're buying a song, it is from that artist. And mobile client for voice platform. Customization options and podcast selection. section implementation, DAO radio, Ethereum blockchain. I really like that it's on the Ethereum blockchain because I trust almost anything that comes from the Ethereum blockchain, but as always, do your own research. This is not financial advice. This is my personal advice. I'm not a professional. But I think it is really a cool project. Partners with Bitcoin, PR Buzz. I don't even know. Bitcoins.net. These aren't really big places. Cointelegraph is actually decently big. I know a lot about them. But as they get more partners, the bigger this is going to get, guys. I think if they ever partner up with, obviously, anything like Apple or Apple Music or Pandora or anything like that, they're going to become really, really huge. But even without that, guys, just from the project idea, people are already backing it up. Like I said, I bought into Voise right about at 1.5 cents, so right here. That's where I bought it, guys. And I should have made a video on it, and I really liked it, but I wasn't too sure about it yet. And then once it started getting up, it's double, triple, blah, blah, blah. I think I started talking to you guys at it whenever it was about 7 cents. And then it just shot up more and more. And then that's when people started noticing it, guys. So I hope you got in early. I hope you're still holding it because I think this is about to hit the moon. I think it's going to be something great. I think music is our future, you know. So hashtag HODL, guys, and hashtag music. Hashtag keeping up with crypto. But I think we can call that conclude the video from there. But go check us out on Keeping Up with Crypto Yo on Instagram. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get the name Keeping Up with Crypto, and for some reason, somebody took it on Instagram, but not Twitter, and not YouTube, and not pretty much anywhere else but Instagram. But we're growing in followers to 239 followers, guys. I post normally every day, maybe sometimes multiple times a day. If you guys need to be up to date, but you don't have time to check YouTube, or you don't want to spend the data it takes to use YouTube, which I usually don't, you can check out the Instagram. I usually post stuff like checking out like Social Send or something like that, telling you like a buying opportunity is there or how the market is doing. We're starting to recover, stuff like that. Just keeping you up to date all the time. The BitConnect scam, just always keeping you up to date. So go follow it, stay up to date with us, guys, and keep up with crypto. I'll see you later.